Here's a grid.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Here's the masonry grid.
I mean, it's alright, like...
And here's an animated masonry grid. Sorry for that, honestly, I'm just trying to be funny. Anyways, today I'll teach you how to build this animated masonry grid in under 5 minutes, so let's go. For the HTML, one div with all your images inside it is all you need. Give the div a class name of your choice. Moving to the CSS, give all your image tags a width of 100%, a margin bottom of 1 rem or any value of your choice. Give it a transform style of preserved 3D. This is for the animation that we are doing later. Next, it's time to style your div that contains all your photos. Give it a padding of 32 pixels and give it a columns value of 300 pixels. And that's pretty much it for the CSS. Easy, right? Anyways, moving to the JavaScript. Make sure to add these two CDNs for GSAP and scroll trigger. The link to both of them will be in the comment section. And if you're using a framework like React or Next, just do this. Also, by the way, we will start off with this event listener that triggers when the DOM is loaded. Inside, I will get all our image tags and put them into an array. Then we will run a loop on that array and add GSAP animations to all of them. We will use the GSAP from to method, which allows us to pass two objects. The first one defines how the element will look when the animation starts. And at that point, we want our images to have an opacity of 0 and a transform of rotate 3D, which in our case is rotating the images backward on the x-axis to basically give it that swooping in effect. The second object defines how our images will look once the animation is complete, and at that point they will have an opacity of 1, an animation duration of 0.4 seconds. We will remove the rotate value by setting everything to 0. And here's the fun part, the scroll trigger. Each image should only animate once it enters the viewport, and it should run the animation each time they scroll in. And for doing all of that, here's the code. And that's it, you're done. You have your amazing looking animated masonry grid. But wait, there is more. Columns property in CSS does not care about the order of the elements inside it. So the images you see here are not in the same order, they are in the HTML. So if you don't care about the order, this is perfect, else you gotta look for more technical solutions. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Catch y'all later.